Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to speak to you guys about the difference between a general contractor, a project manager, and a handyman. If you're going to be overseeing a project, if you're going to be doing a big project, you need to know the difference so you could hire the right person for the job. Let's begin by a general contractor. A general contractor is a professional for overseeing and managing the construction project from beginning to finish. They possess extensive knowledge and experience in various aspects of construction, enable them to handle large-scale projects efficiently. Here's some key characteristics of a general contractor. Number one, experience. General contractors have the broad understanding of construction, including architectural design, structural engineer, plumbing, electrical work, and much more. They can coordinate all the necessary tasks involved in a project to ensure compliance with building codes and regulations. Another characteristic is project management. General contractors manage the entire project from planning to budgeting to hiring the subcontractors, obtaining permits, and scheduling inspections. They act as the primary point of contact for homeowners and are responsible for coordinating all aspects of the construction process. Another characteristic is license and insurance. General contractors typically hold the necessary license and insurance to cover and operate legally and protect both homeowners and their own businesses. This ensures that they meet industry standards and are accountable for any unforeseen circumstances during the project. Now, let's dive into a project manager. A project manager is a professional responsible of overseeing and coordinating a specific aspect of construction project. While the role may overlap with the one of a general contractor, project managers often work under supervision of a contractor. Here's what you need to know about project managers. Number one, project managers concentrate on a specific area of the project, such as scheduling, procurement, or quality control. They ensure that the tasks are completed on time, within budget, and according to the required standards. Project managers work closely with the general contractor to maintain the project efficiency. Number two, communication and coordination. Project managers facilitate effective communication between the various stakeholders involved in a project. They coordinate with subcontractors, with suppliers, and other professionals to ensure smooth operations, resolve issues, and maintain project progress. Number three, project managers may specialize in one specific area like interior design, landscaping, or tile installation. The expertise allows them to oversee the tasks related to their specialization and ensure optimal results. On the other hand, let's talk about handyman. He's a skilled professional who handles small-scale repairs and maintenance. While their expertise may vary, handyman services typically encompass the following. Number one, repairs and maintenance. Handymen specialize in handling minor repairs such as fixing leaks, faucets, replacing light fixtures, patching drywall, and unclogged drains. They excel in various trades and possess a wide range of skills to address everyday household issues. Another one will be flexibility and affordability. Handymen are often available for small projects and provide their services on an hourly or project basis. They are cost-effective options for homeowners seeking assistance with minor repairs and improvements. Another thing is limitations. While handymen possess valuable skills, it is important to note that they may not be equipped to handle large projects that require specialized knowledge. For extensive renovations or tasks involving structure changes, it is advisable to hire a general contractor. In conclusion, understanding the difference between a general contractor, a project manager, and a handyman is crucial for homeowners embarking on a home improvement project. General contractors bring extensive experience and manage the entire construction process, while project managers focus on a specific aspect to ensure the project success. Finally, handymans, on the other hand, are skilled workers who will handle small projects and repairs. Hey guys, and by the way, my name is Carlos Guerrero, aka Carlos your Contractor, and if you need a general contractor for a big project, or a project manager for a specific project, or a handyman for a smaller project, we could help. You can come see us at homeremodelmiami.com. Thank you for watching. Till the next one. Can't stop, won't stop.